In this video, we're going to be covering some very practical and low-cost strategies that you can be implementing in your warehouse to save time today. First, let's talk about organized layout and storage. That often has to do with making sure that you are grouping together your items. So say you have a lot of either common items that are being ordered, that they are quickly accessible for your pick, pack, and shipping process, or if there's a particular category of grouping that are often ordered together or go with a similar product line, that everything is quickly and easily accessible. This also means that you need to frequently reorganize the space to make sure that everything is properly organized, that all the space can be used that is allotted for, so that you're getting the most out of what your warehouse can offer. From here, we want to go into our streamlined order picking. What this means is we want to improve and speed up the entire order process. This can be done with batch picking, which is done by taking orders that have the same or similar items and grabbing those all at the same time so that you are reducing the amount of time spent going back to that bin or shelf. This technique reduces travel time and picker efficiency. You could also include a mobile inventory solution with that batch picking, done right there on the tablet. Easy to see, easy to pick, and there's no going back to a station to fulfill it. With this, we should also include automation and technology. So things like barcode scanners, 2D barcode scanners. Again, even for the small business, this often sounds like a large expense, but there's a wide variety of technology that's available that's both low cost and easily fits just on a tablet. And now that we've got our organization and our picking and our order process, we should be talking about shipping and packing. One easy solution is to standardize both your packing and, if necessary, your packaging so that it's easy to grab what those items are and have your employees know exactly what size it'll go into instead of trying to find the right fit. You've got boxes that quickly fit the size for the items that you have, and that is going to speed up the time that you can get packages out the door. And then the solution to tie that all together would be some form of shipping software. There are a lot of options out there, but some of the key features that you want to be looking for is something that includes the ability to print barcode labels, shipping labels, and the ability to provide a weight and possibly even postage depending on what you are trying to ship. Think of it this way. The less time that you spend on a computer, on a phone, figuring out costs, the more shipping that you can do. So as you optimize your layout and your process, keep it simple, keep it streamlined, and remember there's technology that can help you with all these things and to simplify your entire business process. If you're still not sure about this, I'll include some links down below and you can check those out. Thanks.